Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this, and I stated that I wasn't very happy where all the lines meet. It just did it. You could see in the drawing. So I went out to the shop this morning and I turned a quarter of it into a hairline. And I still get the deal, but if you look at the picture, the quality in the picture does it no justice. The quality of the engraving is a lot better if you vector engrave it. And I had somebody ask me, they didn't understand vector engraving. Vector engraving is like you're cutting, but you use less power and more speed, so it won't cut through the wood. It just marks the wood. It's a really, it's sharp. And if you look at the difference between the two side by side, this one was engraved. In this particular case, it didn't save any time because it's having to do all these lines with vector lines. Normally in a drawing, a lot of times when you're just marking rectangles or stars, vector engraving is much faster. But in this case, if you look at those two by side, the circle where the lines meet, and I'm gonna maybe in a couple of days do a better design. But you can kind of see the proof is in the pudding versus vector versus raster. And so this is raster engraved at 5 points, which is pretty much the smallest point you can get, where this is raster or vector at a hairline. Anyway, I hope that made a little sense, and thank you for watching.